Transitioning into barefoot shoes starts with teaching your feet how to do their job again. These two exercises help you build a strong base, improve foot and glute stability, plus get you comfortable in these barefoot stretched functional positions. Our first exercise progression is going to be a single leg balance. We're going to start on one leg. We're going to start with no weight. We just want to get really good at balancing on one leg first. So how we start? No weight, making a tripod with your foot. So I want your big toe, your pinky toe, and your heel to really grab and feel the ground. Then I want you to lift up your opposite foot and balance. A soft knee bend here, and then use your hips to kind of stabilize. So if I can balance here for 20 to 30 seconds, my next progression is just closing my eyes. It makes it insanely much more difficult. So close your eyes. It throws off your equilibrium a little bit. Once you can do this for 20 to 30 seconds, we're gonna go to the next progression. Okay, I'm gonna push my hips back as far as possible and then come back to center. Last progression, we're gonna take the kettlebell and then we're just gonna alternate sides with our hands. So this is gonna move the weight distribution around. So I really have to be strong with my foot, big toe, pinky toe, heel, foot is grabbing the ground. This is how we can really transition into having really strong feet on the court. Second exercise is going to be a walking lunge. It's a basic exercise that we want to train and get our foot to be more comfortable in these stretched positions. So in this lunge position, big toes stretched, my front knees at 90 degrees, back knees at 90 degrees. I just want to continuously walk in this position, working on some ankle mobility and getting stable, making sure I have a strong foot. My heel isn't coming up off the ground. How we can progress this exercise is just adding weight, right? You can hold a weight at the top in the goblet position, or you can hold weights to your side here. These are my two go-to movements when I was transitioning to barefoot training. They make the switch feel balanced, controlled, and natural.